Hi, my name's Kris Grimnes. I'm with East Coast Yacht Sales, and I'm aboard a 2022 Axopar 28 T-Top in the Brabus trim. Give you a little walkthrough tour and go through some of the details. Okay, starting in the stern, we've got the Mercury 300 horsepower V8 engine, a nice water ski tow bar, and underneath the deck we have ample storage for water toys, beach gear, etc. There's also these storage compartments on the port and starboard side for your dock lines, fenders, so forth. Additional storage underneath the aft seats, and you also have your battery switches in here. Nice size storage compartment. All right, moving forward, we have the Helm seats. They have underneath a cooler and a little sink. The seats also swivel around, make for a nice little seating area here. And they also bolster up, so you can stand or sit. All right, here we are at the Helm station, where I have easy access to all the controls, the instrument panel up here, trim tabs right here. Everybody's sitting on one side of the boat. You can adjust. Bow thruster makes for a really easy docking. VHF radio, and then we have a Fusion audio system with 6 outdoor speakers. Bluetooth capable, pairs with your phone, real easy. The chart plotter also has the audio controls, so you can control your Fusion stereo through the chart plotter or through the control unit under the dash. The chart plotter also has full integration with the Mercury outboard, which makes everything really easy. That's the Helm. Let's go check out the bow. All right, here we are on the bow. One of the great aspects of the 28 Axopar is the good size head compartment. It's got a toilet, a sink, some storage. I'm 6'1" and I have no problem. Electric flush, freshwater head, nice little step out. Door is held open with a magnet, closes easily. Moving forward, there's ample storage underneath the bench seat, and there's a table that mounts right here. And there's a lower setting for the table, and it acts as a support for a filler cushion that creates a nice big lounge pad up here. The whole bow section becomes like a sunbed. There's underdeck access to your tankage and a bow thruster, a little bit of storage. Additional storage up here in the forward bench seat. And then a good size anchor locker in the bow. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough tour. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is below this video.